Once you have applied for financial aid by submitting your FAFSA, you may be selected for verification. Verification is a process where the information on your FAFSA is compared against supporting documentation for accuracy. This is to ensure that a student's federal aid eligibility is calculated accurately. The federal government decides who must go through verification and who does not. Madison College is not responsible for assigning you to complete verification. If you are selected, you submitting the documents to complete verification is required. You must complete all verification steps to receive your financial aid. Follow these steps to complete the process. This includes logging onto the verification system, reviewing what documents are required, collecting the documents and submitting them online. Your verification package cannot be reviewed until all documents are submitted. Then, look for an update from financial aid regarding verification approval. First, to access the verification system, go to madisoncollege.verifymyfafsa.com. Log in using your student information, the same one you use for your email and Blackboard. From here, confirm your information and register for your new account. Be sure to enter your information exactly as it appears on your FAFSA, then click Register Account. If your information doesn't match, you will get the 1010 error code. To fix that, review your confirmed student information section. Review for any discrepancies and make changes as needed. Now, in Step 2, you will review the documents required for verification, collect them, or complete the document forms and submit them. After successfully signing on to the Verify My FAFSA system, you will see the first verification form assigned. Click Fill Out. Review your information, then click Continue. In this form, you will need to list all of the members of your household. This includes your parents, step-parents, siblings, and anyone else living in the home that your parents support. Once finished, click Continue. Next, you will have to verify your tax information. Select the best option that describes your situation. Based on your option choice, additional questions will be presented. The next verification form is about your parents' taxes. Again, select the list option that applied to your parent or parents, then click Continue. You will get a form based on the option you selected. Review the form to make sure all of the information is correct, then sign your form by using your Madison College password. Now we just have some final steps to complete and submit these forms, and we did it! Next step, based on what you entered, the system will tell you that some additional docs are needed. Make sure that you read carefully. If you have them available, go ahead and click Upload to load your docs. If you don't have the doc file, you can snap a picture of your doc using your cell phone and upload that. Make sure it looks legible. If you need to add additional pages, like for multiple W-2s, you can click Add Pages. Follow this page to upload all required documents. Tax return transcripts can be obtained by going to irs.gov/individuals/get-transcript. Visit that site to get the transcript, then upload it. In most cases, your parents will need to sign to complete your verification. Click Request to send mom or dad an email. Click Send Request. Your parents can go to the link provided in the email to set up their account. Your parent will need to confirm their information and the student's information as it appears on the FAFSA. Then click Create Account. Then, click Preview to view and sign the form. Now simply review the form and e-sign with the account password. This is the same password used to log into the account. The parent account actions are now complete. Now the student can log back on and officially submit everything. Once you've confirmed your documents are ready for review, click Submit. Don't forget to click Finish. You're all set. There is a 2 to 4 week processing period once you have submitted your file, so don't delay. If you have any questions, contact financial aid at madisoncollege.edu.